Feeling constantly bombarded by stress and looking for a quick fix? Today, we're diving deep to answer one burning question: does Calm Pro 5 actually work, or is it just another empty promise in the crowded wellness market? We're putting Calm Pro 5 to the test. First, let's break down the core features. Calm Pro 5 boasts a range of features, including guided meditations for various needs like anxiety relief and focus enhancement. They also offer sleep stories designed to lull you into a peaceful slumber and breathing exercises to quickly calm your nerves. The app also claims to track your progress and personalize recommendations. Now, let's see what real users are saying. We scoured app stores and online forums to find honest reviews. Some users praise the app for its calming effect and the variety of content. Others criticize the subscription price and report experiencing technical glitches. One user said the meditations are truly helpful, while another claims the app crashed constantly. Compared to other apps like Headspace or Insight Timer, Calm Pro 5 offers a similar range of features, but its user ratings are slightly lower. This could be due to the reported technical issues or the pricing structure. Ultimately, whether Calm Pro 5 works for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. While it offers a decent selection of relaxation tools, potential technical issues and a higher price point compared to competitors might make it a less attractive option for some. Our verdict: proceed with caution. Calm Pro 5 has potential, but weigh the pros and cons before committing to a subscription. Do your research, try a free trial if available, and see if it aligns with your personal needs. Don't forget to leave your own experiences in the comments below.